At Quality Metal Solutions, we make various parts for all sorts of industries, from aftermarket automotive to food and pharmaceutical processing machines to commercial playground equipment. Since the installation of the harns, we've noticed quicker piercing times and quicker cutting. I think the upgrades in speed, quality are too big to go back on.
The previous laser was 20 years old, so biggest headache was maintenance and breakdowns. This machine's helped speed things up. This one appealed, having largely European parts, but still at a competitive price. Intermach was very helpful, keeping us up to date with latest technology, dropping by regularly to assist us with any queries and information for our decision making, and very helpful meeting us on price and making sure everyone's happy. Work throughput has increased drastically, getting jobs out the door in a much better time frame, and keeping things flowing smoothly.